Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year, you guys. I can't believe it is January 1st, 2025. It is so wild to me that it's been this long since I've been back on YouTube, but I made a New Year's resolution that stated that I was going to get back on YouTube and get you guys content and be consistent with that content. So here it is, January 1st, 2025. Hold me accountable, guys. My goal is to make sure that I do at least one post a week and really build on my content and really give you guys quality. I'm doing this all by myself. As you know, I'm a mother. I have 3 kids, so it's really hard, but I told myself no more excuses. So that is the theme for 2025. No more excuses. We are not going to let life just pass us by and not really go after all of our goals and dreams. We are going to put ourselves first in 2025 and no more excuses. So with that being said, today I wanted to come to you guys with a video that is all about self-care. And what is better than starting off a new year with self-care, skincare? So today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine and how I get this face nice and refreshed and beautiful for a year ahead of us, okay? Because we know we are just starting the year and it's going to be a lot of stress. It's going to be a lot going into New Year. So let's jump into this video. So the first product that I'm going to use today for my skincare is going to be this product. It's called Pure Skin Face Cleanser by First Aid Beauty. And that's what it looks like. And you can pick this product up from Sephora. It's fairly priced. I think it's like 22 bucks. And it's really, really good. I like it because it doesn't strip my skin too much. It's not harsh, but it still makes my skin feel like it's getting a really good clean and cleanse. So, and it does lather. Like, I need a cleanser that lathers. Like, I know there's some that don't and some people like, but I need to know that you're really doing your job. So let's get into it. And I have this cute little headband on from Ulta, and then I'm gonna pop its matching little wristlets on, and they're so cute, but they also are very functional. Like when I'm about to wash my face right now, so the water doesn't run down and get everywhere. So that's the product. And I have these cute little cloths that I get from Ulta. You can get these and they come in a 7-pack, which is really good because you are not having to use the same washcloth over and over, and that really helps with your skincare and breakouts from bacteria from using the same washcloth for too long. So really cute. So let's get into it. Now that our skin is nicely fresh and cleansed and ready to go, and since this is a self-care day, I actually am going to do a mask. Now, I don't do these masks every day. I don't even do them once a week. I do them literally on self-care days when I really need that extra feeling of pamperedness. So we are gonna grab this Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. This is so good for hyperpigmentation and brightening of the skin. I have a lot of little dark spots on my skin from post-acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and so these really help with lightening those. It invigorates and brightens skin's appearance. So we're gonna go into this. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit, and so we're just gonna go in and do a little mask on our self-care day. Make sure you don't get this product in your hair. It smells so good. And again, you can also get this product at Sephora. I think all my skincare really is from either Sephora or Ulta. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy expensive. Maybe just a couple serums that I would say are hefty in the price. But other than that, everything else is pretty affordable and reasonable. We're just gonna make sure we get a nice even layer of this product all over the face. Get it over that lip. And make sure we have it everywhere. Let's get over here. So allow mask to dry for 10 minutes. So we're gonna allow it to dry for 10 minutes. But like I said, since this is a self-care day, you can leave it on for as long as you want. Put your mask on, go make yourself some coffee, go make yourself a drink, go vacuum, go return a text, whatever you wanna do. This is your self-care day. I'm gonna let this dry for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it off, and we're gonna move to the next step of our self-care skincare routine. I'm back, you guys. It's been 10 minutes and I went and got myself a drink. I told you guys, how cute is this cup? Not a day over fabulous. My son actually got me this for my birthday, so shout out to Jewels. Thank you for this cup. I went and made myself a little white Russian. If you don't know what that is, make sure you Google it. It is so good, especially if you like coffee flavor, creamy, vanilla, cinnamony, very, very good. So I have my own special recipe. If you want me to link it or write it in the description box, I totally will, but it's so yummy. So now that we've let this mask sit on our face, you can tell when a mask is ready to come off because it's really hard to move your face. It's tight and it's like, okay, it's time to get off. So I'm gonna use the same washcloth that we use to take off our cleanser, and I'm gonna go wash this mask off. I'm gonna save you guys the trouble of watching me wash this off because it's gonna take a minute. So, and look at this skin, like, you guys, the skin is glowing, the skin is fresh, the skin is clean. So now that we have done our cleanser, we've done our mask, we are gonna move into doing a little facial radiance peel. This is from the same company that I use for a cleanser, the First Aid Beauty Fab. And these pads are just like little resurfacing pads. So it says facial radiance pads with glycolic. Oh, duh. Sorry. So facial resurface. I can't talk right now. I'm moving too fast. Let me slow it down, guys. Okay, so facial radiance pads with glycolic and lactic acid, safe for sensitive skin. So I'm gonna just take this product and I just grab a little pad. And I like to use these, I would say like twice a week. They're really good for exfoliating, really loosening up any clogged pores or any trapped oils underneath the skin. So we're just gonna take that and go all over the skin. Mainly, I get a lot of congestion on my cheeks. And I know since we just did that mask, that should really help alleviate that. But since this is a self-care day, I just wanna just do the works. I wanna give my skin the best of the best, everything. Throw everything at it, and that's what we're gonna do. Make sure you get along that jawline because you get a lot of just dirt and grime, bacteria in that area, especially when you're talking on the phone, touching your face, your hair is touching that area. You want to make sure that you are getting all these areas. So boom. Like there is nothing left on that pad. Like that's how you know your skin is clean, is when you take a pad and you're scrubbing. You can get those lips, get all that on those lips. And there is nothing. You're squeaky clean. So a trick to store these, because sometimes these can dry out over time, to store them upside down. Just like boop, like that, and then flip them. Just keep rotating so that the product is penetrating up and down like a flow. So anyways, okay, moving on. So now that our skin is squeaky clean, cleanser, mask, facial resurfacing pads, we are gonna go in with some eye cream. Now this is the Peptides Plus C Energy Eye Concentrate, brightens, smooths, and depuffs, and this is Youth to the People, also from Sephora. Now I am not a huge eye cream person. I tend to forget to put eye cream on, and then I look in the mirror and I'm like, oh crap, I should have put some eye cream on because I have some really dark circles underneath my eye. And so yeah, eye cream is a must. I like to put on my eye cream with my ring finger and really massage it into the under eye, and then wrap it around onto the lid and just really press that product into the eye and massage it. Boom. Moving on. And I do see a difference when I use eye cream. It's just, I don't know if I'm moving too fast every day and I like to be as quick and as efficient as possible. So that's why I like to get these self-care skincare days in. So that way I'm really, really taking care of the areas that I neglect on a day-to-day basis. So look at that. Hydrated, plumped, healthy, refreshed. And that's what we want. Our under eyes are so thin and fragile, and you could really tell, you know, when someone hasn't got a lot of sleep, they're stressed, all of those things by their under eyes. So we want to make sure that we're taking care of the under eyes. So moving on. Now that we've touched the eyes, I do want to go in with some lash serum. I have a little bit of lash extensions left. I normally don't do lash extensions all the time, but whenever I travel, I like to do them. And I just came back from a couple of trips and I found a really good lash girl that does the lashes the way that I would really like. So I've kept it up. The only thing for me though is lash extensions do not last. I have a nervous tic where I pick my lashes, which is terrible. But I also love the look of false lashes. So I'm kind of stuck in the middle between, do I want to have no lashes because I've picked them all out and I'm bald, or do I want to look cute? So I want to look cute, but I also want to have lashes. So I use a lash serum, and this is the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. You can get this from both Ulta and Sephora, and we're just going to put this on the lash line. So now moving on. Now I am going to use a serum. This is probably the most expensive product that we're going to use today. This is the Radiant Ronnie Brightening Saffron Serum by Renovant. I don't know. Anyways, but you could get this from Sephora, and I love, love, love this product. The way it makes my skin glow is just amazing. And I like to do serums before my moisturizers because I like it to really penetrate the skin and really get into the skin without having a moisturizer barrier right there blocking the serum from getting into my pores. So we're just gonna I use maybe half a vial of this, and I really just get it onto the skin. And look at that glow. Love, love, love this product. It smells so good. It has turmeric in it, hence the color. And turmeric is just so good for brightening and hyperpigmentation. And like, look at how it just gives my skin that glow. And I'd like to just press the rest onto the skin. So now that we had put our serum on, I want to go ahead and lock that serum in with a moisturizer. Again, I guess I just really love this brand. No, they're not sponsored, but this is again the First Aid Beauty Fab. So I'm using their moisturizer, their cleanser, and their resurfacing pads. Love these products. Great price, great products, love. This is their firming cream with peptides, niacinamide, collagen, safe for sensitive skin. So I love this product. Look, it's almost gone. It's like a night cream, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin like a night cream. So you get the luxurious, rich, creamy texture of a night cream without the heaviness. So I love that. Like when I'm using a moisturizer, I want to know it's not just that thin, watery moisturizer. I love that whipped, thick texture. So we're going to use a little bit of that to lock in our serum and give our skin that hydration and moisture that it needs. A lot of people think because they put a serum on, they don't need a moisturizer, and that is a lie. Use your moisturizer. Like, come on skin. Like, you cannot tell me that you had a bad 2024 and went into the new year, did a self-care skincare routine, and didn't feel instantly better. Like, come on, skin. amazing. So then I just kind of rub the rest all over my hands. And we can take these little things off since we're not doing any more water. But like, wow, 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 wow. Okay, so we only have a few more steps, guys, and then we're done. That's it. So, I mean, I hope you guys are enjoying. This may be a gimmick, but it works for me. And this is the Be Poised Neck and Décolleté Firming Cream by Melees. Is that the name? And I've been using this product. No, I'm not sponsored. I know a lot of people get sponsored to promote this product, but I've been using this and I actually think it really does work. You can tell on my neck and on my jawline that the skin is getting tighter and firmer. No, it's not getting rid of fat. No, it's not, doing any miracle. I just feel that it's tightening the skin and making the elasticity in the skin look a lot better. And that helps with more definition. Like, think about it like this. If you get out the shower and you don't put lotion on your skin, it looks dry, it looks cracked, it looks aged. But when you put a moisturizer on it or something on it to help, it looks really good. And so I just feel like this is making this area look really good with whatever products it might have in it. So I just use a little bit of that on my jawline, rub it in, and then what I like to do to help aid is take a little Gasha, whatever, don't know. But one of these things, a little jade thing, and just really work it into the neck and the jawline. Really, really pulling that neck up, defining that jawline. I just feel like, especially on self-care days, this just is something that helps reduce stress, relaxes me, and makes me feel really good about myself, knowing that I'm taking the steps that it needs to look and feel my best. So why not? So really work that in. Get all those lymph nodes and drain all that fluid and retention out. There we go. Oh, that feels so good. Just like to kind of rub in any extra that may be everywhere. All right, guys, so this is the last step to our skincare routine today for our self-care day, the first day of 2025. And we are just going to get these lips together because we have hit every area on the face except for the lips. And this is the Fenty Treats Hydrating Strengthening Lip Oil in Passion Fruit. This smells divine. It smells so good. It feels so good on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel tacky. And it has the most beautiful pink hue. Just to get those lips looking as glowy and hydrated as the skin. Oh my gosh. Like, come on. Like, you cannot go wrong with Fenty. Rihanna is just killing it in the game of skincare, beauty, just everything. And I really, really do love this product. She has so many different colors, but right now the passion fruit is just so good, smells delicious. And look at these lips. Now the lips match the skin. So there you have it, you guys. That is our skincare, self-care day. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link all the products that I used in order in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like it and you're subscribing. If you've been following me since forever, I truly appreciate your guys' support, and I hope you guys continue to watch. I promise you, hold me accountable, you guys. Make sure you guys are on my head in the comments on Instagram at Shanae Monique saying, hey, it's been a week, Shanae. Where is our content? Where is our video? And I promise you guys, I will get these videos out. And I promise you one step further that the content will get better and better as we keep creating together. So I wish you guys an amazing January 1st. I hope you have set all your goals and your intentions and all of your dreams and all of your goals come true. And we are just excited to see what the future has for my life. And so thank you guys so much. See you soon. Happy New Year.